So we are PCB Cupid, and we make these components for the hobbyist people, and also we also have industrial grade stuff like 4G module and stuff, but mainly we focus on the hobbyist people. So let's take an example. You are probably electronic student, right?
Okay, fine. Let's assume you don't know anything. Okay. You don't know about anything about electronics. You want to get into electronic. You don't know anything. You want to start somewhere. So why not choose PCB Cupid? We have everything for you.
Yes, that's one thing. But let's say you started in electronics using some other components, some other normal ESP32s. What's the number one problem that you face? Battery. Yeah.
Battery.
How will you?
Exactly.
How will you charge the battery?
Charge the battery.
Tell me.
Get this thing.
BMS. Yeah, you have to buy that, do all those stuff. What if I told you BMS is built in inside?
What if I told you it charges by itself?
Yes. For example, we have this tank. You can look at this. We have battery in the bottom, and this battery is directly connected to this cliff, and that's it. We don't have to do anything. You don't have to remove it and then charge it with a different circuit. No, you don't have to do anything like that. Yeah. And apart from that, we have something called G-Link. Guess what it is?
It's a connector.
I'll give you.
Yes.
It has 4 pins.
Yes.
Oh, you can easily connect any other.
Yeah, so I will explain. So, for example, this is a touch slider, a capacitive touch slider, and this thing also has this. So, can you guess what's going on?
So you can basically connect.
Yes, sir. Yes. So generally, you know, all the I2C devices, you know, like you have to use, I2C, I2C, whatever. So you have to use the SDA SCL pin, right? So for that, you have to solder it here, and you have to do a lot of stuff.
You try to mistakenly swap SDA SCL.
Yes.
And you plug it in, it doesn't work.
Yes.
But here you're guaranteed to connect it correctly.
Directly. You don't have to worry. It's just plug and play. That's it. Very simple. So that's one of the benefits of buying our boards. And you know, even for battery, like we have a switch built in. Like, see, if you plug in a battery like this, then you can just turn it on, turn it off from here directly.
You don't need an external switch.
Yeah. And what we are trying to do is make this whole thing
Compatible with each other.
Yeah, compatible with each other, so that you don't have to go anywhere to buy different stuff. We have everything here
for you.
We also have something called easy servo. So if you want to like control, you want to make something like this which has to control many servo motors or whatever, you can use this. This is directly, you know, you can just connect it here.
This is one such example. Very easy to build.
Yeah.
You could assemble it right now in front of you.
See, everything is plug and play.
Look at it. Everything comes off. So these are the servos.
Yes.
And this is the C3.
Yeah.
Which one? This one. Wait, no. Yeah, this one. This is a C3. And this is the easy servo, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And we are going to plug this on top. It fits in like Lego blocks. Very easy. Just align these holes and plug it in.
Done.
That's it. And now you can control up to 8 servers.
Even a newborn kid can do this.
Exactly.
Yeah. And apart from that, this is a project that the community people tried to do with our glyph boards. You know, looks cool. It can move.
Any educational kit?
Yes.
Kids
Yeah. So no, not just kids. Anybody.
anyways.
It can
People
be
of
working
any
professionals.
age. Yeah.
It can be old people. It can be anyone.
Yeah. And let's say you still can't do that. Okay, if you think it's very difficult, we have something called documentation. But apart from that, we have something called circuit spell. So this thing that you're looking at is an AI.
Okay.
Yeah, and this can do everything for you. You just have to put a prompt. That's it. Done. It will take all the components, build whatever it wants to build. So we just put a prompt to like make a device that can record audio, and it did all these things.
Yeah. You can see the prompt.
Yeah, you can see the prompt. It's very simple. You just have to give simple prompts and it will do everything. And once all of this is done, and like maybe you want to print a PCB or something, you just have to go there, click, you can preview, you have the order PCB option. So once you do that, you can directly get it from the line circuit.
So everything
So-
at one place, very convenient for
Yeah.
the DIY makers like us.
So do you feel like everything is simple and easy? We have the whole ecosystem.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
It's very easy for beginners.
Yeah, not just beginners, anybody, you know. Yeah. So what do you think? Do you want to buy a C3, S3, whatever?
The C6 we would like to.
Oh, C6, you really want to buy? You can check out shop.pcbcupid.com. We don't have C6 available right now because everybody wanted C6. It's so crazy that
It had a lot of demand yesterday.
yeah,
It sold out.
yesterday it sold out. So yeah, I mean, if you want, we have the S3.
S3 is the most powerful.
Yeah,
board here.
S3, it has dual core.
Oh, it's a mini.
You can do edge AI stuff with this. You want this?
I mean, this is using the S3. This is
Yeah.
doing localization, mapping, everything.
We are using it.
Yeah.
This is using S3.
Can you explain this?
That's a 4G module. So it supports M.2 smart. So if anything has M.2, you can plug it in place and you can put your SIM and it gets 4G automatically. So these have all the GPIOs exposed. So you can do it by yourself. That one does not have any GPIO exposed. This is like direct connection.
Yeah. So what do you think about these products? Any reviews, opinions?
They're pretty good for beginners, according to me.
Okay.
And
Are you a beginner?
I'm not exactly a beginner.
Okay.
I'm
So it's
pretty
not good for you?
No, I'm like for if you want to do some product like pretty quick.
Yeah.
I will.
Useful for prototyping.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
And glyph boards. I'm interested in glyph boards because they're very tiny. If I'm
Yes.
not wrong.
I mean, you can check this.
Yeah.
This is, we call this Glyph Mini, and it's most tiniest.
And we have what to tell.
this is RPA.
Yeah, RP 2040.
BMS in this.
Yeah.
This if you're
Saves a lot of time.
Saves a lot of time and space for when you're making some product.
So you want to buy C6, right?
Yes. You can
So
go to
you can-
shop.pcbcupid.
Yeah, you can go to shop.pcbcupid.com and order it.